Are you looking to emigrate to Ireland? It is clear to see why thousands of people emigrate to the Republic of Ireland every year. Ireland has an enormous amount to offer. An incredibly rich culture, diverse artistic talent, lively people, and gorgeous landscapes. However, despite the pricey cost of living, the quality of life in Ireland remains an excellent choice. Welcome to Travel Me, and you are watching Pros and Cons of Expat Life in Ireland. If you like this type of video, make sure to subscribe our channel for more such content. Let's start. Ireland has a wide range of accommodation available to suit any budget. Many metros, especially Dublin, have more affordable places towards the outskirts of these cities. Conveniently, most places come furnished, including couches, tables, dressers, and usually a new mattress. Thanks to its excellent location, Ireland is a perfect launching pad for traveling. Barcelona is 2 hours away, Rome is 3 hours, and for a really short trip, the UK is barely 45 minutes away. If looking to experience other European cultures, Ireland is a great base to do that from. Ireland's size and location in the middle of the Atlantic cause frequent variation in weather conditions. It can be sunny, rainy, or a mixture of both at any point in the day. Although it rarely snows in Ireland, if expats are unprepared, the perpetual wet weather can definitely be a shock. So it's important to have warm jackets and umbrellas on hand regardless of the time. By law, all those who work full-time in Ireland are entitled to 20 days of annual leave. It's not usually possible to get away with not taking leave, and most employers will also award extra vacation days to long-term employees. Everything is priced in EUR, and the high demand for accommodation in cities such as Dublin is driving the cost of living through the roof. Naturally, the further one moves from Dublin, the lower the cost of living will be. Ireland is very safe. Guns are illegal unless one owns a farm. Naturally, some are smuggled in, and shootings do occur every now and then and are hyped up by the media. Compared to the USA, though, gun crime is near non-existent, and the annual crime statistics released by the Central Statistics Office backs this up. However, like anywhere, there are bad areas and caution should still be taken. There is not a large visible police presence, and the response times when they are needed can be slow. Both private and public health care are available in Ireland. The public health care system is funded by general taxes. If needing immediate attention, it's likely that a subsidized fee depending on age and income will have to be paid, but the cost should nevertheless be minor. The waiting lists for medical procedures can be as long as a few weeks. However, if going to emergency care for something non-life-threatening, expect a delay. A standard wait before being treated is between 10 and 14 hours. Ireland doesn't mess around when it comes to its pubs. Take a walk through any city here, and there will be more pubs per square foot than anything else. Whether in search of a small quiet pub with a handful of patrons, or a full-on standing room only, shout over the noise pub, Ireland has it. The lifestyle in Ireland has incorporated alcohol into its very core. This is great for those who enjoy a drink, but if not, there's not really much to accommodate. There are of course sights to see and things to do all over the country that don't involve alcohol, and Ireland is famous for its theatres, music, sights, and people. But ultimately, the pub is the #1 destination for many locals and expats alike. Ireland's size makes traveling the country exceedingly easy. Rental cars are incredibly cheap, and buses run between cities, as do trains. Public transportation in Ireland is heavily relied on. If moving to Ireland, expats should make sure to figure out local train and bus times, as both are readily available. Ireland is small, and so are its roads. Approximately a third of Ireland's population lives in Dublin. Expats can expect the usual traffic associated with any major city. And if taking the inner-city rail line, prepare for daily delays and stoppages in services during rush Petrol in Ireland is generally expensive.